Hey friends, welcome to Learn AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how to put Manus in dark mode. Now, if you've seen any one of my previous Manus AI videos, you will notice that my Manus was in dark mode. And if you want to learn how to put yours in dark mode as well, this is how you do it. Now, on the left hand side, you want to over your profile at the bottom here, and you want to click on settings. Now here, you will see that it gives you two options, how you can change the language, but it also shows the appearance. Now, this is the light mode that we're currently running, but you also have the dark mode, and you can simply click in that and Manus will be in dark mode. If your computer is in dark mode, you will notice by default that Manus is in dark mode as well, because this will be this following system option that will be selected automatically. And so you will notice that Manus is in dark mode. So whichever way you want, whether you want to have Manus in dark mode or you want to use the light mode, this is where you come, go to your general settings here, and you can switch between dark mode or light mode. And that's it guys, that's how to put Manus in dark mode.